Hey guys, hope you are doing great. Today we are back with unboxing and quick review of a budget smartwatch from DEFY brand. The model name DEFY Space Pro. The watch is priced for 1799 rupees. Let's find out what are the features we are getting for the price. Let's get into the video. This is the box of DEFY Space Pro Smartwatch. On the front you can see the picture of the watch. On the back specifications and the box contents are mentioned. Let's cut the seal and open the box. Inside you'll get one smartwatch, one charging cable, warranty card and some booklets. Let's turn on the watch. First let's talk about look and design. The watch comes in two color variant, black and blue. The one we have is blue color variant. The watch has detachable strap. You can easily remove it by pressing the pin on the strap, and the quality of the strap is also really good. The watch has metallic body on the side and plastic on the back. Also it has a dial on the right side which acts as a back button. Even though it has a metallic body, the watch doesn't feel heavy on the hand. Overall, the build quality of the watch is really good. The watch has IP68 dust, sweat and splash resistance, so there won't be any issue during rain or heavy workout session. Next, let's talk about display. The watch has 1.69-inch HD color display. The display is really big and the image quality is also really good. Also, the colors are punchy. It has a 550 nits of peak brightness. In an open daylight condition, everything on the screen looks clear and visible. Next, let's talk about watch face and customization. On default, you'll get 7 watch faces. You can directly change it from the watch. For more watch faces, you need to download their app DEFY Space. You can easily download the application by scanning the QR code on the watch. From the app, you can customize up to 100 plus watch faces. Also, you can set your own photo as a watch face. On the watch, if you swipe up from the home screen, you'll get activity tracker. If you swipe right, then you can access all notification. If you swipe left, then you can see the menu. And finally, from home, if you swipe down, you can see the control center. On the activity tracker, you can track details like your step count, calories burned and distance traveled. When it comes to health monitoring, the watch has 24-hour heart rate tracking and it has SpO2 sensor to measure the blood oxygen level. Also, the watch has sleep tracking and guided breathing feature. You can view the detailed data from their application. When it comes to workout mode, the watch have 10 plus workout modes, including yoga, football, badminton and swimming. Once we pair the smartwatch with the phone using DEFY Space application, you can directly control music from the smartwatch. Also, if you open the camera from the application, the watch will automatically give option for remote shutter button. When you are receiving a phone call, you can directly reject it from the watch. But the only negative is you can't mute the call. Also, you can view all the messages and notification from the watch itself. Other than that, you'll get some additional features like rise to wake, find my phone, stopwatch, alarm and the timer on the watch. Finally, let's talk about battery. On a full charge with a moderate usage and 24-hour heart rate tracking off, you'll get almost 6 to 7 days of battery life. Also, you can charge the watch using magnetically attached charging cable. To conclude it, overall for the price of 1799 rupees, the watch offers great display, good battery life and lots of health tracking features. If you're looking for a smartwatch under 2000, then definitely DEFY Space Pro is worth consider. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.